What is happening? As you can see on my screen, we have online voting system. I have built this system and I want to show you how it works. This is the uh, admin part where you see sign in to start your admin session. So we have where to sign in and start as a voter uh, or as a registered voter. Okay, so I'd like to show you on how to the voter and the admin. How What is the difference between the voter and the admin platform? They are looking in a different. So this is it. As you can see here, as you can see on my screen, this is uh, online voting. Sign in to start your voting session, and then this one is for. Let me make this screen smaller so that you can see everything that I'm going to do, like that, and like this. Like this. Make sure that you subscribe and share this video. Okay, as you can see, we have now admin and voter in two sides. Okay, so we have one screen for voter and we have one screen for admin. So let us log in as admin. This is a password that is provided, like that. So as you log into the system, as you can see, we have one voter, and I would like to delete this voter so that we can start afresh, so that you can see how the system works. So here, this is the admin system. So we have to add a voter so that we can give the voter a voter's ID. As you can see on this screen, we need a voter's ID and password. So the role of admin is to create that voter. Okay, so let us create one position. Let us create candidate. Let us create one voter or two voters, and then the position and the election title for this matter. Okay, now I would like to start with election title. Election title is 55 blocks channel. Then I save this one. Please make sure that you subscribe and share this video, and if you want this source code, please let me know in my comment section. And then you go to ballot position. Then you come here and create a position. This position, we have one position. Then you can create another position. That one is for, let me do a data analyst, like that. Then I can say minimum vote, I want 100 votes. Then I proceed to see, now data analyst has been created and software has been created. Let us check for the candidate. We have candidate. We click on the candidate. We have one candidate who is a software developer. Name is Michael and Michael. So let us create another candidate who is a data analyst, so that we can have two candidates who are vying maybe to become a CTO in a company. Then we click there. We say block a channel, or let's say block coder. Okay, and then we select the position. Remember, we added the position. Then we do software or data analyst. In this matter, I go with data analyst, and then we choose image for our data analyst. I click on the choose image, and then I choose an image. Let me scroll down and check for one image that I can go with. Let me do with this image here. Then after I've chosen image, I can now click save. Remember now, everything is being sent to our database. I'm going to open the database so that you can see how the data is being stored. So this is our database. Okay, let me open our database so that you can see it. And it is loading. And then before our database opens, let us now create one voter. And I come here to voters. I choose voters. I click to voters. Then I create a one voter. I come here. I say this voter is let me use a lady name. Or let me put uh what let me say Abhishek, and then the last name is Abhishek Mask. Okay, then we put the password of our voter, and this password is Mask. Okay, and then you can choose a profile picture for our voter. Okay, then you click save. We have now saved one voter with password Mask. So our system is going to generate ID for this voter. As you can see, we are going to generate ID for this voter, and then we can now go back and now log in this voter. Okay, then we can now create another voter. I can come here and create another voter. I can say Zook, and then I do Zuckerberg bag, and then I change this password to Zook. Okay, then I save another voter. Remember, now you have registered two voters and we have two candidates. So let us see if our system, it will show us who is going to win this election. So when we're going to open our database like this, our database is loading. It has opened, and you can see we have, when you go to our voter system here, we open our voter system slowly. You can see in my voter system, I have two candidates. That one is Michael Block Konda. And then if you come here to voters column and I click on the voters column, then what do we expect to see? We expect to see two voters. Okay, Abhishek Mask and Zuckerberg. Okay, as you can see, where is it? We have two voters. Where is it? Where is it? Voters ID, first name, last name, table structure. Okay, let me check on the positions. Let us check on the positions and see if we have two positions. That one is for, I don't know if this data has been sent here, but hopefully we have this data. Let me first of all check on our voters login. Let us see if our voter are going to log in with the password that we have given them to the system. So I'll make this one smaller, and then I click on voters ID. Remember, this is bag. The first voter ID, I copy this ID here. I copy it here, and then the password of this guy is Zook. Then I sign in. So this system is going to sign in this voter, as you can see. And now we have now signed in 50, Zook to 55. So let us see Zook who is going. Zook, are you going to choose software developer or data analyst for CTO role? So Zook is going to choose software. Zook is going to choose both software and data analyst. Let's assume he has two options, and then submit. The system now, it will tell you that Zook has submitted. Let us now view the Zook ballots. Mike Coder software developer and Block Coder data analyst. That means Zook has voted for two people. Now, let us now log out Zook and then now log in Abhishek Mask. We go there, copy this one, put the password there, or the voter's ID there, which is generated, and then the password is Mask. Let us try to put a wrong password to see if the system will tell sense, and like that. Then the system, it will tell you incorrect password. Okay, good. So we paste that one, then we put Mask. The Mask password has been uh, accepted. So in this part here, Mask is going to choose one candidate. Let's see, software developer, then submit. So immediately you vote, you can't vote twice. The system makes sure that you vote only once. So the moment you have voted, the system shows you view ballot. So let us now come back to our system here and check the result. We go to votes. Let us see how many votes has been voted. And you can see software developer Michael has been voted by Zuckerberg and Abhishek Musk. Then data analyst has been voted by Zuckerberg. So Zuckerberg has voted for two people. Musk has voted for one person. So let us check the dashboard to check the results to see how the system is working. So you can see Michael has two votes and Musk and the block coder has one vote. Is that not intriguing to have this system or to know how to make this system? Please make sure that you subscribe and share this video because we are going to see how we can build this system from scratch. Okay, so this is a system that we are going to build from scratch. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you share this video, and see you later.